What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. We are continuing now in Keachai with our friends from Wichita Homeworks, Nate. Nate, thanks for being with us today.
You bet. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, behind us, your crew is working hard on an entire deck rebuild as well as a concrete patio area. Tell us all about it.
Yeah. So when we showed up, there was an old pine, treated pine deck. The boards were all warped, all that sort of thing. Customers wanted to redo it, wanted to use something that was a lot less maintenance over time and something that held up. So we designed them a composite deck as well as a concrete patio.
Yeah, so that's great. How long is the process for something like this?
Sure. So this one, we've only been on a couple weeks.
Okay.
We had to play a little bit with the weather on the concrete side, but once concrete goes in, it's usually a pretty steady process to the end. So.
Yeah, it's great because people obviously want to be spending some time outside right now, so you're going to be as quick as you can.
Yeah, weather gets nice and everyone starts thinking about the exterior project.
Exactly. So kind of along those lines, if someone called you today, it's probably going to be a little while because you guys have got a lot going on.
Yeah, we're always out just a little ways.
Yeah.
You know, we try to scale our workforce and our team of laborers and whatnot to accommodate that. A lot of what runs our lead times is just material availability. So as soon as we can, get you scheduled and get that material coming, the faster we can get going.
Yeah, so people can enjoy the rest of the summer here.
That's right.
You talk about maintenance. This doesn't have a lot of maintenance compared to what they had before.
Yep.
Is that kind of how you can help homeowners in deciding what they need long term?
Oh yeah, that's maintenance and durability as well as how good something looks. That's always kind of the balancing act that we play. Our designers do a great job of helping us through that and helping the client make those decisions. But in this case, we've got some really good products. We're using TimberTech, and so they look good. They hold up really well over time, practically zero maintenance. So win-win all the way around. Absolutely.
And if they ever do have any issues down the line, you guys are always available to come back and take a look.
We plan on being here for a long time, so any concerns that come up in the future, we always take care of.
Yeah, so if people want more information about building a deck, redoing their entire home, inside, outside, whatever they want, how can they find information about you?
They can give us a call at 316-303-4485 or visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com.
All right, sounds good. Thanks so much for having us, Nate.
You bet. Thanks for coming out.
Make sure you check out Wichita Homeworks for all of your home needs, but we'll have more in Good Day Kansas coming up next.